Good afternoon, everyone. My name is YoungMin, and I'm the head of data science department at Therapeutics. And I'm here to present a brief introduction to the pipeline and also results from clinical trial. And thank you very much for joining me today. And this is the disclaimer page. And our company's digital therapeutic device provides personalized intervention based on deep understanding of disease. By combining bio and digital technology, we aim to develop an effective and accessible healthcare interventions. And our priority is to make our service available to all those who need them. The incidence of myopia is increasing worldwide. The myopia can have a major impact on visual function and also the quality of life. And it has been also linked to other severe ocular disease. And myopia progression starts at an early age, typically around 6 years old. This is why the intervention in the early stage is critical to prevent or slow myopia progression. And at the same time, we recognize that the intervention in the early young children poses some unique challenge, especially in terms of safety. So that's why we have developed non-invasive and non-contact method of intervention. Introducing SAT-001, a software being developed as a medical device to overcome myopia in children. And our plan for Class 2 clinical trial has been approved in South Korea, and we are conducting explorative clinical trial in United States. Our game-like interface is designed to engage children, and we also implemented the system that daily adherence will come to medical staff. We are currently conducting clinical trial with a 1-year intervention and 1-year follow-up. We have experimental group using SAT-001 and control group without any intervention. And we're collecting axial length for investigation. And the purpose of this trial is to investigate the proof of concept so we can design further studies for efficacy and safety. So in the interim analysis with the 6 months data set, we included 13 experimental group patients and 11 control group patients, and their ages range from 5 to 12. We can get adherence information from children's daily performance. Despite our expectation for lower adherence, especially among young children, we found that the average adherence was maintained at more than 70% in 12-week and 24-week interventions. And during 6 months trial, there was no serious adverse event. So moving on to the analysis result with efficacy data, we found consistent trends where the experimental group had less axial length change in both eyes. In younger age group, age 5 to 8, the difference between two groups in axial length change was significant, and additionally, it was not significant. However, we found around 38% of myopia control effect in experimental group. So in short, this is the first clinical test of digital therapeutics to control myopia progression based on the medical findings and behavior translated into the digital program by Therapeutics. And we have interim data showing a trend suppressing elongation of axial lengths after 3 to 6 months of digital intervention. And the full data set is expected to available in fourth quarter of 2023. And let me introduce the team leaders and board of directors. And we are grateful for the support of our top investors. And we have also planned for pivotal trials following regulatory process in South Korea. And we are currently conducting feasibility study in global, including United States. We have other plans for clinical trials for efficiency and safety. Thank you very much for your attention.